In this video now, I want to show you how to use Likealyzer, which is basically an analysis tool for your Facebook page. So the first thing that we want to do is you first of all want to click on Likealyzer.com. Then afterwards, you'll be brought to this landing page right here. Now it says your personal Facebook advisor. Likealyzer is a free tool helping brands succeed on Facebook, and it is completely for free, so you don't have to pay anything up front. There's no membership, no subscription, nothing. So just simply type your Facebook page in here. For example, we can go with my personal Facebook page, or for instance, we could go with my company's Facebook page. Now, let's first of all look at my personal Facebook page, and there it is, 2,733 likes. So it is this one, and now it takes a second, and then it will show me my page, and afterwards also give me information about my page and what I can change in order, for example, to get more people to my page, but also to keep people being on my page. Now, as you can see right here, I'm not the best guy to actually create Facebook pages. I don't really seem to do too much on the Facebook page, so really the rating is not too good. But I think this is quite interesting now for this video, because what I'm going to show you is just simply what I can improve and what you can improve as well. So right here it says like overview, and it shows basically that I'm doing alright, but there is a lot of room to improve. And it says right here, the response rate is quite bad compared to similar pages, so I don't really respond to many messages because I get a lot of spam messages of people wanting, for example, to promote their courses through my page. For example, because I'm creating a lot of online video courses, and then does not like and interact with other Facebook pages. That is actually a very good point. Like, I have no other Facebook pages that I'm collaborating with or that help me to grow my page. Then should improve how often they post content. Yes, definitely. I don't post content too often. Then does not take advantage of Facebook events. Yeah, that is actually quite right, because I never actually created a Facebook event on my Facebook page. Now, it says here the front page is alright. I'm 100% done with the front page. The About section is not finished. It's like 50%, activity 36%, response 44%, and engagement, there's just simply like no information about that. But anyway, so the front page is 100%. Then when we go down here, it says, alright, the visual identity is there. I have a profile picture. I have my username created. Then also some information about me. So basically like the About page. Then call to action. So basically, you know, get people to do something. In my case, it is to send me a message. Then here, story description. I have no story or description for my Facebook account, for this Facebook page. Then here, the milestones are not enough. I don't have enough milestones created. And then contact information is partial because the phone is missing, so I should write the phone in there. Anyway, so then personal interest, online education and business development, and then personal info is again missing. Down here, post per day, 0.1, so I should definitely post more. Then average post length, it says here that it should be between 40 and 100 characters, but on average when I post something it's 200 characters, which is for, well, basically Likealyzer too much. They say it's too much. So photos is 33%, notes is 67%, and I have no videos posted. Now, when we in a second go to my other page, you will see that this page basically is very much about photos and notes, but not too much about videos. The other one is very much about videos, but not really about posts and notes. But anyway, so down here, responses like users can post, yes. Response rate, there's no information. Response time, there's no information as well. And then engagement, so 9 people talking about this. I have 2,736 total page likes, and the engagement rate is calculated by dividing the page PTAT with the total number of likes. So as you can see, 0% engagement, which is pretty bad, because probably I don't post anything most of the time, so 0.1 posts a day. So basically in 10 days I post once, and then like 1 person or 2 people are liking it. But anyway, so really I don't do too much on that page. And now let's have a look at my other page. So let's go back just simply. It will take a second, and then we can now look for my company's website, for my company's page, that is Teaching Hero. And then when I click on Teaching Hero, it should be there, hopefully, yeah, 1,912 likes. When I click on that, I will now get some information about Teaching Hero. I hope it's better, because I'm doing more with the Teaching Hero website, a Teaching Hero Facebook page, than I do with my own personal page. So let's have a look. Hopefully it will actually improve, or it's a little bit better. Well, no, there we go. It's not better or doing alright, but there is room to improve, as it said with the other one. Here, from page 100%, about 21%, activity 36%, response 44%, and then engagement not applicable. So let's go down here a little bit, and it says right here, okay, I got all these things done as well. Then about, okay, story description, there's nothing, milestone, there's nothing, contact information, email is missing and phone is missing, okay, location is missing, and then down here average post length. So because I write a lot of things on there, it's 704 characters, which is not good. It should be between 40 and 100. And then over here post per day 0.3, so basically every 3.5 days I'm posting something. Then native Facebook videos, which is pretty good. I have 18 videos, and you'll be able to see that right here. So what's first of all being written here is that, you know, I have 23 people talking about it. I have an engagement rate of 1%, which is pretty bad. And then total page likes is 1,912. Anyway, so the one thing that you can see here, which I think is quite interesting, is that now I have 10% photos, 60% notes, and 30% videos. But anyway, so yeah, I can definitely improve concerning my own pages. And I just want to give you this tool because I think it's great. It definitely shows you a lot of things about the page and what you can improve. And I can just recommend you trying it, using it, and perhaps it will make actually, you know, creating a page easy and also keeping it hopefully engaging as well. So that was it for this video. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, you can of course text me at any given time.